Hello guys, welcome to EC Electronics. In today's video, we'll be seeing some of the very latest recruitment updates for graduates and also for diploma candidates. We'll be seeing some full-time opportunities, also some internships. So please do watch this video till the end. Also, if you are seeing the channel for the first time, please make sure you subscribe to the channel and follow us on our Instagram page. The first one is a recruitment update from Ubisoft. Ubisoft is a gaming company. That is, it is a game developing company. The major area of interest is games. So they are hiring for junior game tester Pune. The requirements they have mentioned is 0 to 1 year of experience. Freshers can apply. Minimum graduation should be completed, preferred technical degree. So any graduate basically can apply for this, preferably if you are from BTech or any technical backgrounds, or if you are having BCA or MCA qualification, you can definitely apply here. Otherwise, also any graduates can apply. So it will be a 1 year contract. After that, it will be extended. That is going to be the case. Okay. So they have given the requirements and all in very detail. You should be having good communication skills. You should be having a knowledge and interest towards gaming platforms, team player, problem solving skills. That is the only requirement. Okay. So if you are interested, please to apply for it. The location is Pune, Maharashtra. Okay. The next one is a recruitment update from Wipro. A lot of recruitment updates nowadays we can see from Wipro. Wipro is hiring analyst programmer. Location is Chennai. Let's have a look on the requirements. Proficiency in SQL, SAS program. Then communication skills. Then mainframe knowledge, JCL knowledge. So this is the requirement. Qualifications is technical degrees they are preferring, that is BTech in IT, computer science or electronics related branches, or BCA plus MCA can only apply for this position. Okay, so technically a degree you should be having. They are not asking any experience, so don't worry. If you are a fresher also, you can definitely apply here. Okay, the job location is Chennai. It is a full-time job. Please to apply here. The next one is a recruitment update from Siemens. Siemens company is a very good platform or a company to start your career. So they are hiring for software developer. Location is Bengaluru, is the job location. Here the areas or the skills they are asking is C#.NET, then good understanding of SLDC OOAD, then PowerShell related knowledge, debugging knowledge, strong analytical skills, communication skills. That is the requirements. So if you are from computer science, IT, EC, EEI, any of the branches, or if you are from MCA or BCA, or for that matter, if you are having little bit of coding knowledge, you can definitely apply for this job role. And they are not asking any experience, or freshers can clearly apply. Job location is Bangalore. Okay. Please make sure that you apply for all these job roles before it get expired. Okay. The next one is a recruitment update from diploma candidate. It is for diploma candidates. The post name is Service Engineer. Crystal Electrodynamics is a company name. They are asking 1 to 2 years of experience. Job location is Pune. Salary offered is 2,50,000 per annum. You should be having a diploma in electrical, electronics or telecommunication, or for that matter, BTech candidates can also apply here, provided that your stream is electronics or telecommunication or electrical. So please to apply for it as soon as possible. The next one is a recruitment update from Nokia. A lot of people ask me about the recruitment updates from core companies of electronics. This is a Nokia is a electronics company itself. They are one of the biggest manufacturers of phones, and it is a telecommunication based company. Hey guys, so we have already discussed about Relevel in our previous video. So Relevel is the best platform to find your dream job and your dream company. So this is a free of cost platform. You don't have to pay any money here. You can find your dream job also. Now there is an exciting news that they have launched a new test in various categories like Android app development, business analytics, business development, front end, back end development, product management, HR and operations, etc. So for various categories, you can find different jobs here. And 200 plus leading companies trust Relevel, Cred, Meesho, Urban Company, Yatra, Upgrade. A lot of companies are actually hiring through this platform. So this is a free of cost venture. What you have to do is you have to book a test slot, then you have to give the test. And if you get a good score in the test, you will be hired by the companies. And so in order to practice a test, there is a lot of sample papers available, and you can also check your score. You can compare with others using the help of the leaderboard. Now, there is an exciting news that on top of getting your dream job, they are also offering some goodies to the people who get good score. The goodies are Apple, MacBook, iPhone every month. So these are some goodies which is offered to the people who get good score or the top scorers. Okay. And another good thing is that now there is a facility to book the test slot for the next day also. So if you are interested, please go to the link in description. Please book your test slot. Now I'm going to specifically share two company recruitments. The first one is yatra.com. They are hiring through Relevel and they are having a team size of 1,000 people. In the headquarters is Gurugram. For the job roles they are hiring for Java developer, and they are actually offering up to 14 lakhs per annum CTC. If you are interested, register for test. The next company that is hiring through Relevel is Animal. So they are hiring for 3 job roles. Yeah, let's have a look on the job roles. Yeah, sorry, 2 job roles. The first one is backend engineer. The second one is JavaScript engineer. And up to 20 lakhs per annum you can get. If you're interested, register for the test. Okay, so this is completely free of cost. The next company that is hiring through Relevel is Animal, and they are having the headquarters at Bangalore. And for 2 different job roles, they are actually hiring here. The job roles are, we can have the job roles here. We can look at here, backend engineer and JavaScript engineer. So they are actually offering up to 20 lakhs per annum. If you're interested, register for the test and please give the test. Try to get a good score and get your dream package and dream company through Relevel. And the company is hiring for graduate engineer or postgraduate entry level post or fresher engineer post for Noida location. Okay. So the requirement is Java or C++. Okay. Prior projects in Python, Java or C++ is mandatory. Okay. You need to have a knowledge in C++, Java or Python. That is mandatory. They are saying that you should be having a little bit of coding knowledge. Okay. So that is a requirement. If you are having that, please do apply here. Okay. The location is actually Bangalore, Karnataka is a location. Okay. So that is the location. If you are interested, you can definitely apply here. The next one is a recruitment update from General Electronics Healthcare. So G is a very big company for electronics candidates. So they are hiring for engineering students and any graduates here. So the recruitment update they have posted in Dare to Compete platform. You need to have a strong oral and verbal communication skills, interpersonal skills, leadership skills, and that is the only requirement here. Other than that, only basic things they're asking. So provided that if you are from an engineering background, we can definitely apply here. And this is called Edison Engineering Development Program. Okay, the last day to apply is 6th of March and there is no fees for registration. It is completely free of cost. So just register here and just give the test. If you are getting qualified, you can participate in this program and then you can grab a job in GE Healthcare. Okay. The next one is a recruitment update from HSBC. So HSBC is hiring for trainee software engineer. So they are hiring for the location of Pune. It is a full-time job and they have given that the closing date is 31st of December 2025. There's actually a lot of opportunity and they are hiring a lot of people. Now the requirements they have mentioned here is, they have not mentioned any educational streams as such, but you should be having agile related, DevOps related knowledge, Jenkins, GitHub, Jira, Java, J2E, Spring, SQL. This is the area of knowledge. Okay. So coding knowledge is must in order to apply here. This is a trainee engineer post. If you are interested, please do apply for this job. The next one is a recruitment update from Henkel. This company is hiring for sales engineer. Okay, sales engineer is a job role. For 2 locations, they are hiring Delhi and Kolkata. Let's have a look on what is the requirement. So they are preferring MBA candidates, that is engineering plus MBA candidates they are preferring. Okay, minimum 2 years of experience you should be having or minimum 3 years of experience after your UG. So only experienced candidates can apply here. Minimum 2 years of experience after PG or minimum 3 years of experience after UG you should be having. So if you are an engineering plus MBA graduate, you can definitely apply here. This is a sales engineer post and it is a full-time job. And it is for 2 locations. Please to apply here. The next one is a recruitment update from upstox. Upstox is hiring for data engineer graduate. 2021 and 2022 batch. Here, the requirements they have mentioned is you should be comfortable working in Linux environment, knowledge in Java, Python, AWS, Node.js, SQL related knowledge, distributed storage platforms or databases knowledge you should be having. So nowadays, if you see, most of the companies are asking for people with knowledge in Java, Python, these areas. Okay, so if you're having these area knowledge, you should definitely you can definitely try for these companies. Also, please try to grab some knowledge if you are not having any basic knowledge of Java at least. Okay, next one is a recruitment update from LCX Carriers. This company is hiring for associate software development engineer, Gurugram, Haryana as a location. So you should be having a minimum 1 year of experience in again Node.js, JavaScript, Express.js. Again, JavaScript is having a lot of demands nowadays, also Node.js. So if you want to get into some IT companies or software related companies, when going through this notification, you will actually get to know that which are the areas the companies is looking for, which related certifications will be good to get a career in these companies. So like this, you can get a knowledge if you go through these notifications. Also, you should be having minimum 1 year of experience in React JS, Redux, HTML, CSS related knowledge, SQL, database related knowledge you should be having. Okay. So all the computer science, IT related candidates can definitely apply for this job. And the location is Gurgaon. The next one is a recruitment update from Oracle. Oracle company is hiring for QA post. Okay, so let's have a look on the job role. Quality Assurance Engineer, Hyderabad, Telangana as a location. Again, they are asking minimum 1 year of experience in relevant field. Means quality field. If you are having QA related knowledge or testing related knowledge, if you have done some certifications, or if you have worked with some companies or some internships, if you have done in this field, you can definitely apply since they are asking for 1 year of experience. Okay, so the location is Hyderabad. So please do apply for it if you are interested. Oracle is one of the highly paying companies, so it will be very good option to start. Okay. So the next one is a recruitment update from Radical Technologies. Radical Technologies is hiring for junior software engineer, fresher. Clearly, they have mentioned in the job title itself, this is a fresher job role. And they have given that this is for freshers and recruitment is ongoing. Educational qualification is graduation. Job location is Bangalore. Skill set is trained and well versed in React Native. And other than that, you should be having good communication skills, then understanding of Android, iOS ecosystem. This is the requirement. Okay. So again, it is a little bit coding related job itself, but they are not asking for too much of skills. Okay. So if you are a beginner in this field, if you have little bit of coding knowledge, at least you can definitely apply. Just send your CV before 18th of February. Okay. So please to apply for it as soon as possible. Just fill up this application form below this notification itself. And they have given that CV must be in PDF format, saved with your full name. So these details you have to take care of. Okay. The next one is a recruitment update from DELL Technologies. DELL Technologies is hiring for software engineer, Bangalore location. So here they have given that the requirements is essential requirements, entry level position requiring basic knowledge of programming languages, operating systems and databases, debugging skills for simple programs, using either written or verbal design specification, a good understanding of hardware software interactions. Only basic things they are asking. They are not asking too much of skills or any certifications. Again, a coding job itself. If you are interested, please to apply for it. The next one is a recruitment update from Philips, again an electronics based company itself, and it is a very recent update. The recruitment is happening for software engineer. So the skills they are asking is C++, C#.NET in Windows. So that is the requirement. Okay. So if you are having C++, C# related knowledge, you can definitely apply. They have not given the requirements of educational backgrounds, but they are looking for people with backgrounds, computer science, IT or ECEEI. That branches can also try here. Okay, Philips is an electronics based company, consumer electronics company it is, and it is open for all the electronics graduates. The next one. The next one is a recruitment update from Uber. Uber is conducting a hackathon. It is called Uber Hack Tag 2.0, and they have posted this in Dare to Compete platform. And the eligibility is engineering student, undergraduate, startup, postgraduate are the eligibility. Okay, means all the engineering graduates or undergraduates or postgraduates, MEM candidates can also apply here. There will be 3 rounds will be there. Round 1 will be online quiz, round 2 will be online coding challenge, and prototyping is also there. And there is mentorship phase and round 4, which is grand finale. Okay. So this is actually a hackathon, and along with that there is job opportunities also. So please try to participate in this hackathon and try to crack the hackathon. You will get a place in Uber. Okay. So there is only 8 days left. A lot of people have already registered. So please register here. There is no registration fees and there is a team size of 1 to 3 members. Okay. So that is a recruitment update from Uber. The last one we are going to see is a recruitment update for diploma candidates. It is for engineer, QA, QC, civil engineer. Okay. So the requirement is BTech in civil or diploma in civil. So the company name is Starta Geosystems. They are offering up to 4 lakhs per annum and they are asking an experience of 2 to 4 years. The job location is Hyderabad, Secunderabad, for 3 locations actually, for Hyderabad, Gujarat and Maharashtra. Okay. So if you are interested, if you are having diploma qualification, you can definitely apply here. So these are the recruitment updates that we are seeing in this video. We have actually seen a lot of recruitment updates. I'm really hoping that you found the video useful. If yes, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe to the channel. Keep supporting the channel. Thanks for watching and keep on watching.